Here it is. This is Gail the Gator. Hello, this is Jake, and welcome to a shed update on my YouTube modeling channel. So, before I jump into everything, thank you all who's been subscribing to the channel. I think we're at 2,640 now, roughly. I think somewhere around that mark. I haven't checked. So thank you all for subscribing. Keep it coming. I got loads of exciting stuff coming. So yeah, just remember to like and subscribe. Shed update. I thought I'd do a shed update before I start any more projects. I haven't been building many models over the last couple of days now because I've just been enjoying the weather. It's been so nice outside, and I've been driving around in my cars. I love driving my cars around, doing work on my Porsche. So I've been going to shops and everything, getting prices because I'm having it wrapped and detailed up. Making it really my own car, so it's going to be crazy come next year when I drive all down through Europe. So I'm getting that ready. It's been nice, like I said, so I've been driving to shops and getting prices and everything. If you want to see more of my cars, there's a link in the description now to Easy Driver 31. That's my automotive channel, and you can follow my cars and everything on that. And of course the Italian the Euro Tour coming next year. But back to modelling. So I haven't been doing too much. I've been working on a few projects behind the scenes, some ideas and everything flowing around, which I'll get into later. If you missed it, I bought a second Trumpeter Titanic. And when I was building the first one, which I've still not finished, by the way, and I will have an update for you very soon, I was building it and I was like, this would be so good as a sinking model. So I thought, well, I'll get on the internet and buy another. So I bought a second one. Now this second one, basically after the ship, it's going to be cut right down for the middle, and the stern section's going to be like stuck up in the air, like right up in the air like that. And well, let me just grab this one. So this is a 1/600th. I believe this is the first Titanic wreck I ever built on the channel, which a lot of you enjoyed. And so basically it's got to be a little bit longer than this, and a lot bigger. But this is what it's going to look like. It's got to be the moments before the Titanic broke in two and the stern went back down and then back up. So yeah, it's going to be like that, but in 1/200th scale on a big board with, you know, the lifeboats around it, debris in the water and everything. Really going to be a nice model. I'm really looking forward to starting that, but I'm not going to be starting that until this new workshop studio's finished, which another week, maybe another week, and then we will make a start on it. But I will still be building the first Trumpeter Titanic, because that one's going to be my display model in my actual house. And I haven't really done too much to it, apart from add a little bit of the details to the funnels. So that's coming. I know a lot of you are really wanting to see the Trumpeter Titanic stuff, and I'm going to keep bringing it to you all. But me and Mike was talking the other day, and he's in agreement that this is not a Titanic model channel. This is a modeling channel. I started this channel to share everything that I build. So, you know, model Titanic, model ships, dioramas, World War II dioramas, car dioramas, shipwreck dioramas. You know, it's really everything. Like RC as well. RC cars is very important to this channel, and I'm hoping to do some videos very soon along with RC planes and everything. So that's something that I gotta get out there. It's not just gonna be your Trumpeter Titanic, but I think what we're gonna do is work around a schedule. So this is just, you know, no schedule has been created yet, but do model ships on one day, one video, then say we come to another day, this would be an RC video or something else. And that way, if you're not into RC stuff and you just want to see a Titanic, then you watch on that day. If you want to see both, you can watch on both days. If you just want to see the RC, you watch on that day. It's completely up to you. but I do want to get the other stuff out there as well, because like I said, it's not just a Titanic channel. And like I want to bring model railways to the channel. However, I probably am not going to build a model railway now. I've been looking at the idea, but I will be going to people's layouts and, you know, sharing their model railways with you all, because I got a couple of friends who, you know, really have done a great job with their model railways, especially Vincent Blick. I went over to his garden railway the other day to test one of my locos, and it's really good. And I said to him, I'll come back, we'll do a proper video of your railway running and everything. Be really great for the channel. So yeah, this channel is everything, not just Titanic. Obviously I'm doing the Titanic. I got a couple of RC cars to still do unboxings of. We're still in lockdown in the UK, so I've not been able to go to the model shops and buy kits that I've wanted. I could have bought them online, but there's a few other kits I want to get. Also, when I finish the Titanics, I'm going to be starting a German submarine kit, a Reval kit, which I will have an unboxing on the channel soon for you. Looking forward on that one. Also, the Reval competition for the Titanics ends today, the 28th. So I will be contacting the 2 winners. I've picked them out. So they will be, I will message, well, yeah, I'll message you and you'll know. And as long as it's okay with them, when they receive the Reval Titanic, if they could send me a picture of them with the Titanic, or just to let me know that the Titanic has arrived. And if it's okay with the winners, I will then do a video on congratulating them and everything. There's only 2, and 2 Revals, but it's not going to be the only giveaway on this channel. I will be doing future giveaways of everything Titanic related. The next giveaway, I have not announced anything yet, but the next giveaway could be a Star Wars giveaway. So if you're a Star Wars fan, make sure you subscribe to the channel to keep an eye out for that giveaway. There's actually a pile of Star Wars stuff just to my left that could be going with one of you lucky viewers. So I'm working on a couple of projects now that's coming to the channel very soon. One of them is a Tamiya. Well, let me just show you. So I've been working on these German soldiers, Tamiya ones, 135th, and I'm building a tiny little diorama that's gonna go in this little glass case. It's basically an MG42 behind some sandbags, and they're just keeping a lookout for any enemy soldiers. Nice little diorama. I will have a video on it soon. Also, in the next couple of days, I will be uploading a very small short video on a German trench I built with a flat gun in. Very nice model. I actually sold it a couple of weeks ago to a friend who really liked it, and he's like, I want this. I want to add it to my collection and do a bit of work to add some other details. I was like, yeah. So I sold it to him, and it gives me room to actually build something else. So that's great. And also, over the last couple of days, I've been thinking about a project that I wanted to do back in 1999. When I was younger, I used to play with a lot of Lego, as I'm sure a lot of you did when you was kids and everything, when you was a lot younger. And I always used to build Lego ships, and I can remember building them, taking them up to the bath, putting them in there, and they just over tipped to one side because there was no buoyance. Lego's not waterproof, so they just tipped over and sunk. But it was fun to watch, and I enjoyed doing it. And I can remember building several ships that were just too big for the bathtub at the time, and they was all multicolored because we never had like 1,000 colors of a red brick and everything. But I've decided, I've been working on it a few times now. I've designed it on a Lego CAD page and everything. I'm going to be building a Lego cruise ship to minifig scale as well. Now, I'm not talking, you know, absolutely to what that ship was. It's not going to be based on any ship in the world. It's going to take elements from all different ships. And it's going to be made a little bit smaller, like crammed in, but like Lego style. Like when you get a Lego house or you build a Lego house, you kind of cram it all in there. That's what I'm going to be doing with a Lego ship, but don't think it's, you know, going to be about that big. A little cruise liner, a few figs on. It's going to be big. It's got to be bigger than the Trumpeter Titanic. So yeah. And to minifig scale, that means there will be proper doors and rooms on the ship that, you know, the minifigs could possibly go into and everything. Crazy project, yes I know, but if you want to see a Lego ship being built in minifig scale on this channel, then please do subscribe, because I'm really looking forward to that. Really nice project. I've asked Mike if he'd like to be involved with it because Mike is a Lego fan. He still likes his Lego. And I think it'd be really good, really cool. And at the same time, we can meet some of my old Lego friends who still do Lego. And some of them are really, really cool at what they do. If I was to set this camera up a year and a half ago, right where it is now, you'd be looking right at some buildings. This entire room was a Lego city, and a quite detailed Lego city as well. And I gave it all up to build a workshop like this where I could work on models. And I think what we're going to do is time. We're going to build another Lego project, and I'm going to be showing you all on here. And again, it'll be in its own series. If you're not interested in it, you can still follow my other projects that I'm working on. But yeah, a ginormous Lego minifig scale ship. It's crazy. I'm looking forward to it. That's going to be a really good project. Okay, so the last thing I'm going to show you all, I do have a video coming on this very soon. This is quite a different project and quite fun. And I was so surprised how many people just stopped what they was doing to watch it. Here it is. This is Gail the Gator. Now, that's just the head, of course. It's not a real one. Many of the kids did think it was. So I bought this for maybe just cause a little prank on a few people, and yeah, some of them got pranked, some of them knew pretty much straight away. And it's early days in the project. We're at stage 1. We're going to stage 2, or DEFCON 2 now. But basically, a little RC boat goes in here. Now, when I bought it, it was something like 30 quid. Kid's bath toy, not that great. Ideal for a kid in the bath, but I wanted to make it go farther. It could only go about 4 foot, I think, from before it lost connection. So me and Mike done some work on it, modded it, and I took it at the ponds yesterday, and oh my god, the people loved it. They were absolutely taken up by it. The kids weren't even scared. They went straight to the edge of the ponds, and they was like, look, 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 crocodile. And then the ducks as well. The ducks is even following it at one point. But really fun project, and I will be doing a video on this very, very soon, because I'll set some cameras out, capture people's reactions and everything. But need to say, even though the prank was, it wasn't really a prank, because they found out pretty fast and they spotted me. I wasn't really hid, but I made sure the controller was just hid slightly behind a tree. But they really enjoyed it, so I want to do more videos on this. Especially at this time, lockdown and everything. People are allowed to go out now, but you still got to make sure your distances and everything. But they just loved it. They really did love it. So more videos on Gail the Gator. But that's going to be it. I'm going to be doing a bit more work. There's a few problems with it, but like I said, we're at stage 1 of it. And we'll have more soon on that. So I want to thank you all for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe to my channel. If there's anything I've said today that you're interested in, then please do subscribe. I've probably not mentioned every project I'm working on today. I'm always working on projects and everything. Like I said, I've had a few days off enjoying the sun with my car and everything. And I will be today as well. I'm not actually doing any building today. But yeah, if you want to check my Automotive channel out, link in the description. But yeah, that's it really. Anything you want to see on the channel or what I've said about, please just leave a comment. When we get this new studio done, I'll have more space. It's got to be more tidier as well. It's really got to be a great place to do videos. That's what it's designed for. and I got some tripods coming as well as probably a new camera to get set up. But yeah, I want to thank you all for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe, and I shall see you all very, very, very soon.